What is going on, guys? Josh White here, and you're watching another episode of the JDub Twins. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below so you can be notified of our latest videos. So today we are going to be talking about Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. We're not just going to be talking about it, we're actually going to be using it to clean the rims on my car. I'm not going to lie, I've kind of been neglecting them a little bit, and I've been making up the excuse to say I've just been too busy to clean my rims, but in all actuality, well, I have been pretty busy, but I also just have been kind of lazy. All right, so we're gonna see how well this stuff works. It says here on the back that all you need to do is spray a generous amount on the entire wheel, wait 2 to 4 minutes, and then spray it off with the powerful jet stream to clean them. All right, so we'll see if this is actually a touchless solution to cleaning the rims, but I wouldn't doubt if it isn't, only because it has been a while since I've cleaned my rims. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get it. So I'm sure you're wondering, well, Josh, the weather looks pretty bad outside. Looks like it's raining, or it's been raining. Why are you gonna clean your car? Well, for those of you that aren't car enthusiasts or Mustang enthusiasts, I guess you wouldn't understand. But for the rest of us, we all need to make sure our rides are looking clean and mean, whether it's rain or shine, you know what I'm saying? So the process I plan to use is use Meguiar's, clean the rims, and then dry them off, and then I'm gonna apply the Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine to the rims as well as the rest of the car, to kind of help keep them clean. That way it's not so hard to clean them the next time around. And it has been, I don't know, I want to say I'm pretty sure it's been over a month now since I applied the Turtle Wax's Seal and Shine sealant to the car and to the paint. So I have noticed that it's lost its that water beating on the hood. On other parts of the car, like for instance the windows, it's actually, at least on the side windows, it's held up pretty good. But yeah, on the hood and on the rest of the car, I kind of noticed that it's kind of losing its effect. So I'm going to reapply it today and see how that turns out. All right, first things first, just gonna give these the wheels a good spray down. Gonna apply this liberally. It says it's supposed to change colors, so we'll see if it does. It's actually a good workout for your hand. Let me switch hands here. All right, last wheel. Let's see if it changed color at all. I can't tell, honestly. I want to say it's turning purple. Oh, now you can see it. Yep, now it's starting to change. Yeah, we're gonna wait 2 to 4 minutes and then rinse off the tires with the power hose and see how it turns out. All right, about 4 minutes has gone by, so we're gonna spray down the wheels and see how it turned out. As you can see, that there's purple color or whatever. The solution did turn purple, so I guess that's when you know it's working. All right, so we're gonna spray it down. So again, as you can see, you know, all that purple solution, I guess, is that brake dust that's kind of fallen off. The solution goes on clear, but then turns purple. And it took about 4 minutes for that to happen, so around when 4 minutes hits, whenever you could see that, yeah, that solution turned purple. All right, now I'm gonna spray down the rest of the car. drive this back to the car wash station at the apartment, and we'll finish up drying and adding the seal and shine. I will say, if you care enough to dry your car, I recommend getting one of these absorbent drying towels. It makes drying the car off a lot easier than using like the smaller microfiber towels. Helps you knock off a lot of that water. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you can see the wheel. What I can say about that Meguiar's all wheel cleaner is that of course it's not going to be a spotless, a touchless clean, but it did make wiping up the carbon super easy. You can see I'm literally just wiping it off without even having to put any effort into it. But unfortunately, because these wheels, although I do love them, and they're nice, they look clean, like stylish, but they are a pain in the butt to clean. Just too many freaking spokes, and I'd be willing to just pay someone to clean these rims, because yes, they're an absolute pain in the butt to clean. And to kind of give an update on how I feel about my car since I got the 2018 and up Mustang GT Performance performance calibration tune. I don't know, maybe it's me, but I feel like, I know Ford is saying that the car doesn't need to learn the tune, that it should be good to go right after installing and downloading the tune. But I feel like the car did take some time need some time to learn the tune and learn the fuel octane, which is understandable, because I believe whenever they do download the tune, when you download the tune, it does an automatic cam reset, and cam is keep alive memory, and the cam is what the car learns, like your driving habits, right? The transmission and the fuel octane. And when you clear that cam, when you clear the keep alive memory, the car has to relearn the fuel octane and the transmission, your driving habits. So I think that if I were to do a dyno run now, since I've had the car for a little while after getting the tune installed, I think my numbers on the dyno would be slightly higher than what I ended up with, which was, I believe, 432 horsepower, 414 pound-feet of torque, foot-pound of torque, or whatever. So if that's something that you guys want to see, please like the video, comment down below. If I get enough views and likes, I will go ahead and do that dyno run for y'all. Alright, well, the GoPro died, so I'm filming right now with my phone, but I just finished wiping the car down with the seal and shine. She's looking clean and shiny. I cleaned the rims and they're looking shiny as well. We'll see how long it lasts, but hopefully that seal and shine on the rims will help keep the rims cleaner for a longer period of time, or at least make it easier to wipe them down, wipe the brake dust off. But yeah, took a little while, but worth it. And you can see my our JDub Twins logo right there, still holding strong. Alright, but yeah, again, I know the weather's crappy out here, but still wanted to clean the rims. Alright, here's another shot of the car. Again, you can see how that water's beating and sheeting off the hood. That has a new coat of that sealant on there. Looks pretty good. Here's the rim. You can see how the water's beating on it. So again, we'll see how long it lasts, but hopefully it stays looking clean for a while. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.